In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend colors in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create smooth, professional gradients and customize them with confidence. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading a document so you can see your canvas. If you're working with shapes, text, or an artboard background, make sure the object you want to fill is selected first so the gradient applies where you expect it to. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the Fill tool. It looks like a gradient icon, and the shortcut is G if you like working from the keyboard. With that tool active, you're ready to draw your blend directly on the canvas. Now, click and drag your mouse across the canvas to create a gradient. The line you draw sets the direction, distance, and softness of the blend. A short line produces a tighter transition. A longer line makes it smoother. You'll see handles at each end that you can move to fine-tune the angle and reach. If nothing seems to happen, double-check that your target object is selected. On the right side of the interface, open the color panel to choose your hues. You can pick from the color wheel, sliders, or swatches, whatever fits your workflow. Selecting colors here updates whichever gradient stop you have active, so keep an eye on which stop is selected before you choose a color. Along the top, in the context toolbar, you'll find options that control how your colors blend. Click each gradient stop to activate it, then pick a color on the right to assign it. You can add more stops by clicking directly on the gradient line, creating multicolor blends with ease. To remove a stop, drag it off the line. Adjust the little midpoint diamond between two stops to shift where one color gives way to the next, which is great for emphasizing a particular hue. You can also change the gradient type, linear for straightforward transitions, radial or elliptical for spotlight effects, and conical for circular sweeps, right from the top controls. If you need to flip the order, use the reverse option to swap start and end colors instantly. As you work, experiment with subtle variations. Small hue shifts often look more polished than extreme jumps, and longer gradients tend to feel more natural. When everything looks right, you're done. Your colors are smoothly blended, fully customizable, and ready to use across your design.